Welcome to Arun's Tech Force AI Automation series. I am Arun Barua, and today I will walk you through installation of Ngrok and Telegram bot. So let us begin. Okay, so what is Ngrok? Well, it is a tool that helps us tunneling HTTP into HTTPS in our local machine. So when you start N8N in local machine, most of the time you need to interact with various API services, and most of the API services need HTTPS access. So in order to do that, we need to install Ngrok. And today we will install Ngrok and Telegram bot. So let's go to Ngrok website. It is ngrok.com. Okay. Go there, and for developers it is always free. So click on sign up for free, register yourself, and you have to verify your email address. Once you are verified, it will uh, redirect you to your dashboard. Okay, so the dashboard would be looking something like this. And here is the most important part. Once you land this page, click on Microsoft Store Installer. Okay, if you are into Windows. Otherwise, you have to follow the steps for Mac as well as Linux. It will be available in this dashboard only. Based on your operating default operating system, you will get all the information. Okay. Now, in our case, say we will install using Microsoft Store Installer. Okay, guys. So once you install it, you will see your configuration means authorized token here. You need to store this and save it in a safe place. Okay. Now you have to open a command prompt, then copy this, and as it is paste it like this, and this is one time. Okay, once you save this configuration in the means I mean to say the authorized token, then it's okay. After that, you need not have to set until and unless you reinstall your Windows system. Now, in order to use Ngrok, say every time after your computer restart, you need to add your URL, whatever URL you get it, we will discuss it right now. Let's go above. So deploy your apps online. If you see there are two kind of domain. Okay, just click on static domain and get one. So you will get a unique domain identifier for you guys. Copy it and save it in the notepad. You need it every time. Then open another terminal and you paste it. Okay, another terminal and paste it. Give a blank space, then enter the port number where N8N starts. It starts with, it works with 5678, right? So click the enter. Okay. Next, the same URL, whatever you have started, right? You need to set it as a webhook in your environment variable. You have two options. Either you go and edit your environment variables, system settings, or you do the way I do. That is, I whenever I want to work with an atom, at that time I set. So this is what I have shown here. set webhook URL equals to the same URL, whatever you got. Okay, just set it like this without the port number. Press enter key, and after that you can start an A10 and A10 start. You can use the log level to see any uh, log informations. Okay, you will see a lot of log information. So better use dash dash log level debug. Okay, and once it start, it will tell you to open localhost. Then you can open localhost. So okay, so mine is already running. That is why I can simply go to 5678 and we will get it. Okay. So this step completes the installation of Ngrok. Now let's move on. Next is we need to download Telegram desktop because most of the people, you know, may not use Slack, Discord. Okay, so most of the people would be using Telegram. As in yesterday's video, I have demonstrated how we have sent the email draft to the Telegram user. In that case, it was me only, right? So that is why we need Telegram. So for that, go to desktop.telegram.org. That's the place. Simply get it and install it. Okay. And you can also refer to core.telegram.org/watch. You will have so many lessons to learn from this one. For now, you simply follow me. Okay. Now let us app and open it. Click on this Telegram app. So now I am at my Telegram desktop application. Okay. The same first you need to have the Telegram in your mobile phone. Okay. Or it's okay if you do not have. In that case, you need to just verify or sign in with your mobile number. Then OTP will come in the mobile. You need to enter the OTP and you are ready to go. Anyway, so you will see lots of your contact information here. So I have not shown all those things. Now what you need to do, you need to search for bot father. Once you search it, this is the official bot of Telegram. So no worries, no security issues. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, you will get lots of commands. So in order to create a new bot, click on this create new bot. You have to name the bot, right? So for me, say NAN TST test DV. Let me see if I get enter username. Okay, so good. Let us choose the username. So username also I want to choose M8N TST test DV test div dash USR. This is my own style of doing actually. Okay, you can use any. Oh, okay, that is good. User, we need to add Atlas bot. Okay, underscore bot bot. Okay, congratulations. This bot is created for me. Now, you very important. You need to save this information. Okay, you need to save this information in say a file because you need to use this API key. Anyway, from my this I will anyway delete it. I can show it right now. Okay. So the bot is created. Now you can test start. Okay. Now Telegram bot is installed. Let us do something amazing now. That is, go to localhost. Let us create a workflow. Let us click on trigger Telegram. Here on message you have to take. Okay. Now you have to give your credentials, right? You remember the credentials we have created, right? This credential. You need to give this credential without any blank space, of course. And I will tell you later. Let me test this first. Okay, so connection succeeded, right? You can see the details. By the way, okay, that's not needed anyway. So let us execute this step. It is listening right now. Go to the Telegram app and say here hello or simply say how are you. It got the message and this was executed and you see how are you doing. Now you have to remember this ID. It will start from most important. Okay, this ID you have to remember actually. So let us copy this one. We will be needing that later. This ID, whatever ID you get in your first message. Okay, let us go back. Let us add a AI mode. AI is the agent mode. Click on it. Then we will define our own prompt. Let us enter you are an expert AI, SSIS, and the assistant. You process whatever request the user provides and always get your answers, COMSIS, concise, and what else? Write it in a professional way. Okay. Then we have to add the message. Say this text we have to add. Okay. Let us execute and check if we get it correctly. Oh yeah, we won't get immediately. We need to add this chat model, right? See, you will get lots of model cohere, Anthropic, Claude, DeepSeek, Grok, Mistral, Olamis. They are open router is also there, right? So many others are there. I mostly use Grok because it is free and its instance are also very fast. You can also get an account there. Okay, so I have used Grok now. Let us take a memory. Why memory is needed? Memory is needed so that the LLM remembers our past conversation. In the LLM engine, there is no way. It could track sessions of millions of people, even you have seen Chat GPT and all others. Millions and million people are using, so there is no way it can track you. Only way is to provide some memory. So there are different types of memory. For most of the cases, simple memory would do. Now, if you are creating an agent that parse lots of PDFs, okay, for example, a real estate business property agent, you need to create uh, some automations for them, then you need lots of memory. In that case, you need to go for either Redis chat memory, Postgres, MongoDB, and others. Okay, so for us, we will use simple memory. So here we will define our own, and we are remembering the no, not here, here the text, right? Okay, let's test this one. That request, please check your parameters. Yeah, when you use Grok, you will have that kind of problem because Grok used to retire most of their previous versions, so that happened, I think. Let us try this one. Yeah, node executed successfully. We get some information. Okay, that's okay. Now the next important thing is whatever message comes from this AI, we will route it to Telegram. Okay. For that, we have to take one action, that is send the text message. This one. So we logged in with this one. Then message here is the chat ID what we stored from the first, and that is this numeric. It will be always numeric. Okay. Next is whatever output you get from the LLM, you put it. Yeah, that is fine. So it means our workflow is ready to test. Let us test. It's waiting. Say, tell me about Elon Musk. So it has given some outputs. Okay. So see, we have to improve our prompt. That is why prompt engineering comes into picture. It has given me some chance. We need to tell it explicitly to remove this, right? Okay, we can do that later, or we can try with some other model. Let me try with some other model. Llama versatile. Okay, okay. Let us try. Tell me about Narendra Modi. Okay, this guy has done good work, right? So it actually also depends upon model to model, what model you use. So now it's say you get a good reply, right? Okay, let us do one thing. Again, we ask, tell me about the Elon Musk. Let's see. Oh, we need to execute that workflow. Yeah, this model has actually done better work. So yes, one important thing we learned is right. Of course, the model response as well as you need to know prompt engineer. Okay, so this is it. Now we have successfully installed Ngrok and also Telegram bot. So we can use this Telegram bot to test many other email series that I will be covering uh, in the upcoming lessons. There are many different scenarios exist for the email. So I want to cover all of this. For example, you may need to parse or save an attachment that comes from various clients. Suppose client has sent some attachment and you need to save it automatically in Google Drive or Dropbox. There may be situations where the bot needs to set up meeting, okay, then set the calendar, send the mail to the other recipient. So many things are there to do with email. That is why I want to cover as many important functionalities in this email automation series so that you become an expert. Okay, guys. So with that, uh, I end this session for today. If you have any questions, please comment. Always like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. This will help this channel grow. I'm working hard to create videos every day for you guys. So you can at least help me in that way. Okay, so see you next. Bye bye. Take care.